Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm bringing you a very easy tutorial on how to draw Charlie Brown from Peanuts. Obviously, we're gonna start with a circle. Mind you, his head is not gonna be a circle, but we just need to have it as a reference. By looking at my reference, I saw that the size of his body is about the same size of his head. So I draw a line, and this line is gonna be the end of his shorts. So I'm gonna draw a vertical line from his head, and this is gonna be about the center of his body. Now that I have it, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the neck, extending to the end of the shorts that I had marked before, and another curved line on the back. That's gonna be the back, also extending to the end of the shorts. But notice that the line I drew for the back is gonna be at a shorter distance from the central line. Now I mark the shorts and the neck. I'm gonna draw 4 lines, which are gonna be the legs, just a couple of squares, and then I'm gonna draw the socks. His feet are gonna be 2 buns. These are supposed to be the shoelaces, I think. Now for the arm, I'm gonna draw a line from where the shoulder is supposed to be, here, and I'm gonna make something like a half square. So his hand is gonna be very simple, like the hand for all of the Peanuts characters. Now for the head, I just find the center, and then I find the place where I think the nose should be. There you go. The nose is gonna be an inverted letter C, and the eyes are just 2 small dots, not so small, but actually 2 little ovals. And Charlie Brown's gonna have a big smile. It's okay if the lines are a bit shaky at this point, because it's gonna match the style. Now I take some distance from the eyes and I draw 2 very small eyebrows. And his hair is going to be like a stylized letter W, like this. Now I refine his head. Like I said before, it's not going to be a real circle. And from the lines I had drawn for the eyes before, I'm going to draw the ears, just a bit lower than the line for the eyes, right here. Now let me make some details for the shirt. So his shirt color is gonna be just a few straight and curved lines. And if you like our content and if you think you can learn something from it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your participation is always very important for us. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you can get notifications for any new posts. And now let's draw the zigzag for his shirt pattern. Okay, that's quite good, so let me just erase a few lines and check if it's alright. Now that I see I'm satisfied with it, it's time to get the marker and contour the lines. Let's see. Follow me. Charlie Brown has fair skin tone, so I thought it would be best to get a colored pencil. And since we have only 3 colors for this drawing, the others are going to be done in brush pen. It's just a brown for the buns on his feet and yellow for his shirt and socks. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed and seen how easy it is to draw Charlie Brown. Don't forget the comment section is always open for you. So whatever suggestions you have, just write down on the comments and I'll be sure to read it. Thank you very much for being with me up to this point. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.